What's up, Frog Crew? Now that we have a few hours on the bike, we're going to make some adjustments and check all the bolts. Let's get started. So, see how tight that chain is? I can barely even push that down. So, a too tight chain can cause premature wear to the chain, the sprocket, and the bearing. So, we're going to loosen this chain up. Now we're going to use the 10 millimeter to unscrew this bolt. Now that this nut is loosened, we're going to tighten this bolt. That way the hub will move forward and the chain will loosen. Much better. Now we're going to tighten back the hub nut. Now we're going to use some of this blue Loctite on these handlebar mount bolts. Next, we're going to thread them back in. Now we're going to send them home. Now we're going to check the bike for any more loose bolts. Second one, here we go. Whoa. Both are good. Now let's check the triple clamps. Now let's do the other side. It's important to check your dirt bike for any loose bolts on a regular basis. Now let's try. If you learned something in this video, please comment down below what you learned and like and subscribe. This is Frog Kid signing out. Bye.